We'll guide you through how to manage files in Dropbox efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Once you're logged in, you'll see your files and folders displayed on the homepage. To upload files, click the Upload button at the top right. You can choose to upload files or entire folders from your computer. After choosing your files, click Open to start uploading. To organize your files, you can create a new folder by clicking the NEW folder button, naming it, and then dragging your files into it. If you want to move files, just drag and drop them into the desired folder. For sharing files, select the file or folder you want to share and click on the Share button. Enter the email address of the person you want to share with and set the permissions to view or edit as needed. Click Send to share. You can also manage your files by clicking on the three dots next to a file or folder for more options, like renaming, deleting, or downloading. To ensure you're using your storage efficiently, periodically review and remove unnecessary files. Dropbox also offers a version history feature, which allows you to recover previous versions of your files. A lifesaver if you accidentally make changes you don't want. Access this by right-clicking a file and selecting Version History. Managing your files in Dropbox can be straightforward once you familiarize yourself with these tools. Keep your workspace organized to maximize productivity. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.